Hello students, we were doing our chapter Understanding Quadrilaterals. Students, in our previous video we discussed about some formulas which were related to quadrilaterals. Now today we will do questions which are based on those formulas. So our first question is, how many diagonals does a pentagon have? So firstly, what is the formula of number of diagonals in a n-sided polygon? That is equals to n into n minus 3 upon 2. Okay, this is the formula of diagonals in a n-sided polygon. So this is given that a given polygon is a pentagon. So sides of a pentagon, how many sides in a pentagon? There are 5 sides in a pentagon. So n is equals to 5. Now we will put value of n is equals to 5 in this formula, and then we get number of diagonals in a pentagon. So 5 into 5 minus 3 upon 2. So 5 into 2 upon 2 is equals to 5. So there are 5 diagonals in a pentagon. So students, firstly you have to know that a pentagon has 5 sides. So n is equals to 5, and this is the formula of number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon. N into n minus 3 upon 2. Then we get our answer 5. Now our second question is, what is the sum of all the angles of an octagon? What is the sum of all the angles? Okay. So firstly, which is given polygon? That is octagon. So number of sides in an octagon. Number of sides in an octagon are 8. It means n is equals to 8. And sum of angles in an n-sided polygon, that is equals to n minus 2 into 180. This is the formula of sum of angles of an n-sided polygon, n into n minus 2 into 180. Now we will put value of n is equals to 8, and then we will find our value. Sum of angles of an octagon. 8 minus 2 into 180, 6 into 180, and that is equals to 1080 degree. So for sum of n angles of an octagon is equals to 180 degree. Okay students. Now question number 3. What is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 sides? It means here number of sides are given 15. It means n is equals to 15. And each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equals to 360 upon n. This is the formula of each exterior angle. So, and this is equals 360 degree upon 15. That is equals to 24. So, 24 degree is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 15 side. This is the formula of each exterior angle, 360 upon n, and here n is equals to 15. When we put value of n is equals to 15, then we get 316 upon 15, and that is equals to 24 degree. Now our next question is, each interior angle of a regular polygon is 156 degree. Each interior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Students, in this question we have to find the value of n. So what is the formula of each interior angle? This is the formula of each interior angle, n minus 2 into 180 upon n. This is the formula of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Okay, and this is given that each interior angle is equals to 156 degree. So according to question, when we put n minus 2 into 180 upon n is equals to 156 degree. Okay, now we will solve this. N into 180 minus 2 into 180 is equals to 156 into n. Okay, we will do cross multiplication. This is multiplied by 1 and 156 is multiplied by n. Now n into 180, that is equals to 180 n, and 2 into 180, that is equals to 360, and 156 into n, that is equals to 156 n, and we have to find value of n. So I will do transpose of 156n from right hand side to left hand side, and I will do transpose of 360 from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so 180n minus 156n, that is equals to 360 degree. 180n minus 156n, that is equals to 224n, and that is equals to 360 degree. Now we have to find value of n. Then we will do transposition of 24 from left hand side to right hand side. So n is equals to 360 degree upon 24, and that is equals to 15. So there are 15 sides of the given polygon. Okay, students, in this question each interior angle is given 156 degree, and we know that formula of each interior angle is this. Now we will put this formula n minus 2 into 180 upon n is equals to 156 degree. Then we find n is equals to 50. Okay, now our next question is it possible to have a regular polygon whose each exterior angle measure 35 degree? Okay, so in this question each exterior angle is given 35 degree. So each exterior angle of a regular polygon, that is equals to 360 degree upon n. This is the formula of each exterior angle, and this is given 35 degree. So 360 upon n is equals to 35 degree, because each exterior angle is given 35 degree, and this is the formula of each exterior angle. 360 degree upon n is equals to 35 degree, and 360 degree is equals to 35 into n by cross multiplication. So n is equals to 360 degree upon 35, and when we divide 360 degree by 35, then we get 10.28. So students, this 10.28 is not a whole number, so this is not possible that a polygon has number of sides in decimal. A polygon have number of sides in whole numbers only, so this is not possible. Okay, if we find that n is equals to 10, 11, 20, 12, then it is possible. Okay, now students, our last question for today, find x plus y plus z plus w in the figure. This is x, y, z and w. These four angles are exterior angle of this given polygon, and students, we know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equals to 360 degree. Now we will prove this, and this is, let this angle is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral, and we know that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equals to 360 degree. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral. Now students, 2 is equals to 110 degree, and angle 3 is of 85 degree, and angle 4 is given right angle. So this is equals to 90 degree is equals to 360 degree. So angle 1 is equals to 360 degree minus 285 degree, because sum of these three angles is equals to 285 degree. Now when we subtract 285 from 360, then we get angle 1 is equals to 75 degree. So this angle 1 is 75 degree. Now students, angle 1 and angle W, these are linear pair. So if this is of 75 degree, it means this is of 105 degree, and this angle 2 and this angle X, these two angles are also linear pair. If this is of 110 degree, it means this is of 70 degree, and these two angles are also linear pair. So if this is of 85 degree, it means this is of 105 degree, and if this angle 4 is of 90 degree, then Z is also of 90 degree because of linear pair. And when we find sum of 90 plus 70 plus 105 plus 105, then we get that sum will be equals to 360. So angle 1 plus W is equals to 180 degree by linear pair. So angle W is equals to 105. Okay, and angle 3 and angle Y are also linear pair. So angle 3 plus Y is equals to 180 degree. It means Y is equals to 180 minus 85, and that is equals to 95 degree. Okay, students, sorry, Y is equals to 95 degree, not 105 degree. Now angle 4 and angle Z, their sum must be equals to 180 degree. So angle Z is equals to 180 minus 90. So angle Z is equals to 90 degree. And angle 2 and angle X, their sum must be equals to 180 degree because of linear pair. So X is equals to 180 minus 110. So X is equals to 70 degree. Now X plus Y plus Z plus W, 70. Value of X is equals to 70. Value of Y is equals to 95. And value of Z equals to 90, and value of W is equals to 105. Students, when we do sum of these four quantities, then we get that this is equals to 360 degree. So this is that proved that angle O, measure O, sum of all angles of sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equals to 360 degree by this example. So value of X plus Y plus Z plus W is equals to 360 degree. Okay students, now you can do your exercise easily, and if you face any problem in any question, then you can ask me.